Wait, Horsey, come back! For those who doubted Workhorse's potential from the video uploaded on March 24th, called The Next Big Meme Stock Like GameStop, shame on you. Now the ship may have sailed on this little pony, but there are other stocks hammering at the gate ready to burst higher under the right conditions. Stocks like Ocean Power Technologies are stuck in well-defined ranges, ready to cross the start line given sufficient catalysts. For OPTT, this would likely involve continued deployments of its WAM-V and Powerboy, as well as more favorable conditions to do research and testing. For example, the allowance of more area to operate their systems above and below the ocean depths. Over to Plug Power, which has been channeling up on a string of recent contracts and collaborations, spurring talk of this steep incline continuing if there are more contract wins. And these partnerships improve Plug's profitability. Next, Nauticus Robotics, which has reaffirmed combining with SeaTrepid to execute traditional remotely operated vehicle, ROV, work, and advance autonomy. So far in 2025, the company has completed projects for 6 different customers, including support for the wind industry and energy sector. Nauticus expects to achieve record-breaking revenue and technological milestones in 2025, driven by strong growth in market adoption and diversification. The company's flagship underwater vehicle, Aquanaut, is anticipated to execute projects at ultra-deepwater depths of up to 2,200 meters by the end of summer, generating revenue for the first time at such depths. Nauticus is optimistic about the second half of 2025, with promising discussions with customers and increased excitement and exposure expected. Meanwhile, SEALSQ has been rolling out new cybersecurity technologies to prepare for a world of threats in the coming quantum computing age. The company has also been making investments around the world to keep up with emerging types of threats. These investments and innovations were covered in greater detail in videos about SEALSQ over the past 5 weeks on the channel. Simply put, moving ahead, the market will be watching to see if these efforts will pay off through profitable deployments and widespread adoption of SEALSQ's technology. Then, Plus Therapeutics is attracting attention after it initiated the ReSPECT LM dose optimization trial for Rheobic, a targeted radiotherapeutic for treating leptomeningeal metastases, LM, a rare and severe complication of advanced cancer. The trial aims to determine the optimal dosing regimen for maximum efficacy and safety, building on promising Phase 1 results where 5 out of 7 patients achieved over 80% reduction in LM tumor cells and survived at least 1 year post-treatment. The trial is supported by a $17.6 million grant from the Cancer Prevention and Research Institute of Texas and is designed in alignment with the FDA's Project Optimus. Plus Therapeutics expects to complete Cohort 1 enrollment by year-end and plans to present additional Phase 1 data at the SNO ASCO CNS Metastases Conference from August 14th to 16th, highlighting its CNSide cerebrospinal fluid, CSF, assay platform's clinical utility in managing central nervous system CNS metastases. The presentations will demonstrate the platform's ability to quantify tumor cells and deliver actionable insights for patients at risk for CNS metastases. For more on stocks and crypto, follow Ascencore. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.